Okay, so hi everyone, very good evening all of you. Welcome to the live session everyone. So let me know how are you doing guys. Till the time just let me very quickly open up your chats over here, just a minute. Hi everyone, hi all of you over here. So how are you people doing? Just let me know in the chat box how is your Diwali going on. Okay, so perfect guys. Hi. Hi Om. Wish you the same Om. Very happy Dhanteras to everyone over here. Once you all are here, just drop me a hi in the chat box guys so that I get to know and we can start in for today. So hi everyone, very good evening all of you. So as you all know that the GATE, CS and IT, right now the offer is going on in which you can save up to 50% off onto your CS and IT subscriptions with up to your 4 months of free extension also. You can join the Brahmas Plus batch for the GATE 2024 which is starting on 9th of November 23. So you are having two options, one is for the Plus, second is for the Iconic, right? Duration for these are 6 plus 1 3 months, 12 plus 2 3 months, 15 plus 3 3 months and 24 plus 4 3 months. That is the duration which you are having for the Plus and Iconic for the both. And this was up till 9th of November only, so if you just want to again avail this offer, you can just call on to the number 8585858585 and you will just can getting your queries resolved for the same, right? So that is the offer which is going on right now, 50% off. Next, this is a festive offer just for you. So here you can save up to 50% off onto your CS and ID subscriptions with up to your 4 months of free extension as I told you, right? Hi Nishu, very good evening and same to you. Wish you a very happy Dhanteras. So the benefits I was about to tell you about the Plus benefits. So into the Plus and into the Iconic, both of those, right, you get these both into the Plus benefit. Talking about your high quality printed notes, you do not get it on Plus, but you get it into the Iconic. One-on-one line mentorship, don't get it on Plus, but you get that onto the Iconic. Talking about your customized or solving, you do not get it on Plus, but you get it on Iconic. So these are a few of the benefits which are listed here between the Plus and the Iconic, both of those, right? And even you are having here the discounted prices which are as well going on. So you can just go ahead and check out these discounted prices as well for your Plus and Iconic batches, and even right now you are getting 50% off onto those, right? So this is the thing which is going on. Next, as I told you, this is valid up till 9th of November, right? So for you, valid up till 9th of November. So it's like finished up, but yeah, again you can just go and check out onto the number 8585858585 and you can just check out everything over the same, okay? Okay, Rockers, happy Dhanteras. Wish you the same, Rockers. Wish you very, very happy Dhanteras. Quite bit of an echo coming. Okay, echo is coming. Okay, Rockers, just allow me a minute. I'll just try to switch off my mic once and reopen it. Maybe the issue will be resolved. Okay, actually what has happened, I have traveled up to my hometown back again for Diwali. So might the place has changed. So just because of that, I guess the echo might be coming. Okay. So let me check it once and let me know is it okay now. Hi Madhu. Okay. Hi Demon, namaskar. Okay. Hi, happy Dhanteras everyone. Happy Dhanteras to all of you. Right, moving forward, you have this Brahmas Plus batch which is going for your GATE 2024. As you just know that it is just coming in a few time, GATE 2024. So it starts on 9th of November. The language is going to be Hindi plus English, and again this for the CS students, CS plus IT, right? Very good evening, Jay. Okay, Rockers, I request if you can just manage it for today. I would just make sure that from tomorrow, maybe from next time we do the live, there is no such kind of any issue which is coming. If you can just manage it for today. Okay, so yeah, that's the thing. So these are all your mentors which are mentioned up over here. So exclusive batch for okay, Jay, today is the first live class. I'm very glad that you are here. Hi Damon, very good evening. Madhu, very good evening. Yeah, Jay, absolutely. Whatever the doubt you're having, please put that down in the chat box, and I'll be really happy to answer that for you. Okay. Great. For the exclusive batch for the DS and AI, which is a GATE 2024, already the offer price has been 9,999. It already started on 15th of September, but you still, if you want to enroll, you can just reach out to the number 8585858585, and there you can just ask your queries if you just want to enroll into those batches, right? So you will be having the access to live and recorded courses from the top educators. You will be covering all of the syllabus with the strategies, tips, tricks, practice questions, numerical problems, detailed explanation of concept, each and every single thing over there. Okay. Classes will be conducted in Hindi and English, and for accompanying notes will be provided in your English only, right? So for all the details, again you can reach out to number 8585858585. I hope you might get remembered it up till now. So you can just reach out to number for any of your queries, any of your questions. If you use earphones, like more or less, fine, try that. Yeah, that's a good suggestion. Thanks, Om. Thanks a lot for the same. You can just try using once your mic earphones, and might that help you out. Okay, Shalvi, very good evening. Okay, Shalvi, wish you a very happy birthday. May God bless you a lot for this birthday, and you just get all your wishes come true. Very happy birthday to you. Okay, moving further, the plus features which we have onto the platform are you can just raise up your hand for asking your queries. You're having class handouts. In the class only you get the polls, you get the daily practice problems, you are having a large educator community, you can learn from the comfort of your home, you can have a very good study material, you get everything in the format of PDF, right? You get unlimited access to all the courses which are over there onto the platform, and top educators of India on one platform. You just get all of these things into the plus features which you are having up over here. So yeah, nothing can stop you from chasing your GATE, CS and IT dreams. You just have to get started with no cost EMIs and with a 0% interest onto the loan for as low as rupees 3,599 per month. So you can even get the EMIs for filling up your fee for the courses too. So the process is very simple. You just get the approval in 2 hours only. You are having a very minimal paperwork and even a flexible tenures, right? And these are the people who have already cracked GATE 2023. So congratulations to all of them over here who have cracked out GATE 2023, and absolutely you can also be the one cracking out the GATE 2023 in a few months if you are going to practice up each and everything very clearly. If you're going to learn every day, practice every day, and put a lot of efforts, join the live sessions daily, try to understand everything, asking your doubts. If all of these things are followed, you will also be the one on cracking a this GATE, CS and DS and AI with a very good rank, right? So these are the practices which made these learners crack GATE, and this will only make you also crack the GATE 2024. Okay, so that's the complete idea about whatever we are offering right now. Okay, so we'll start on with the PPT for today. Okay, Jay ma'am, can I? Okay, most welcome Shazay, most welcome. Jay ma'am, can I get the complete lecture of AI / DA on our YouTube channel, or else I have to take subscription of Unacademy app? See Jay, what's the thing is going on? Ki right now you are getting lectures onto the YouTube platform as well, and if you just want everything as in live doubt clearing, right? You want to maybe have that poll option, you just want to raise your hands for your queries, the features which I told you, plus features, right? If you just want to have everything, you can just take plus or iconic, any of the batches from there, right? You can enroll into that and go with that. Otherwise, if you are comfortable with clearing up your doubts over here only, so absolutely YouTube is also where everything will be covered in detail also, right? So I am, as right, we have taken Python previously. Now right now I'm teaching DSA. Onto the special classes I'm taking machine learning, right? So that is what all is going on. So it depends on to you ki what you prefer. Fine. So accordingly you can just have out the things and go ahead and learn for this. Okay. Right. Fine guys. So just a minute, we'll start in a while. Okay, so let's start in. So we were going ahead with the DSA, right? We learned about the stacks, we learned about the queues, we learned about the arrays, linked list, these all things, with trees, these all of the 5 topics we have already seen and already learned out, right? Now what we have to go ahead and do, we have to go ahead and start on with the linear search for today. Okay, let's see, linear search. These are a few of the algorithms which you have in the DSA, and these algorithms are only the base building for your questions that will be asked out to you in GATE 2024 from DSA or Python. Okay, so these are only the base for solving out all of the questions for you for the linear, for the DSA and Python into your GATE 2024, right? So it's a request to everyone now, whosoever is attending live sessions, can now attend the live classes regularly, okay? And even make sure you are having up a notebook and pen with you, so that whatever I am trying, you are trying to write that, and whatever practicals we are gonna do, you will be solving those practicals with me over here only. Make sure you remember these 2 things now as of for this all the algorithms which we have in the DSA portions. Okay, so let's start up guys. Now, see, as a name suggests, linear search. Linear search means ki you want to search something linearly. Linear means a complete simple format like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is this? This is a linear structure, right? Linearly, it is all of the elements are stored, right? Linear data structure, which is a linear data structure? Now tell me the answer for my question. You have learned the 5 types of data structures with me. You learned arrays, you learned trees, linked lists, stacks, you learned everything from my end, right? Now, according to you, what is the best linear data structure? Or onto which linear data structure we can apply the linear search? According to you, what's the answer for this question? Let me know now. According to you, which is a linear data structure? What I have taught you for the linear data structure. Okay, Madhu. Okay, Damon. Absolutely right, guys. Very, very proud of you all. Yes. Arrays and linked lists both are your linear data structures, Madhu, Damon, Shazi. But when I talk about which is the best linear structure, which you can use in for your searching of the elements, there comes in your arrays. Absolutely right. Absolutely right, Madhu. Okay, stacks are also the one. Linked list, queue, stacks, it's right. All of the data structures are the one. Very good, Om. So all of the data structures are the ones which are linear. But when I talk about the best, so as I told you, array is a linear structure which only stores the integers for you, right? It takes the less space or the less memory also, and if you are going to find a time complexity when you are using the arrays, so it's gonna be less as compared to other of the data structures. So whenever we will be doing up the search now, we will always be trying to prefer the array in any of the searching algorithms. Okay? Yes, big O of n. True. Absolutely right, guys. These all are linear data structures. But when we talk about the best linear data structure, that comes as your array. Okay, big O of n. Okay, Jem, and I am basically from civil engineering background. I want to give only day paper, and I applied also, but I don't know the application is valid or not because my BTech stream is civil. Combination of DA paper with civil paper is available. See, Jay, if you have applied and it might have not been like if there was some option key, it might not have got selected or something like that. So it would have already got you a mail, or maybe have told you that okay, this is not, which is valid, right? But from my end, I guess this is valid because you are completely open to choosing any streams as your paper 1 and any stream as your paper 2. So I don't think so it would matter if you choose out any kind of a thing like that, right? So there, I guess this is not anything which might create an issue for you, okay? Absolutely right, Shazib. It's difficult for me to delete any element in the middle of an array, but here only comes about searching the element. We are not talking about deleting the element. We are not talking about inserting any element. Okay, we are just talking about we are not talking about inserting or deleting. We are just simply searching about the talking about the searching of any element in my array, right? And you know, the best and the easiest method is using the arrays to complete any search over the same, right? Right. So yeah, a simple approach is to do a linear search. That is, you can start from the leftmost element. See, now how does a linear search works? Let's say I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In an array, I have stored 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 elements in an array I have stored. Now tell me one thing. If I start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, what will be my index for the number which is 1? I would even use my Google Colab also, guys. Just a minute, I'll just open the Google Colab till the time. Just answer my question which I'm trying to ask you out. My array elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What will be the index of my element which is 1? Oh my god, what talk you all are doing? Shadi, first you have to shift to right, then insert element, okay? Madhu ma'am, last day you covered trees, but now linear search, when will go to what tree DS? See, Madhu, what I decided ki I would first go with the algorithms, then I'll come back to your trees, okay? That because I want to even give you the practice for the Python MCQs, which the type of MCQs which will be asked into your GATE 2024. So for that, it's important for you to learn the algorithms. So that's why I just went with the algorithms, and further we'll see the trees also. Yes, Simon, that's why we use. Will linear search be time consuming if it have large? Yes, absolutely, Raman. It is time consuming when it comes that you are having a lot of elements into it, right? And again, see, as I told you, these will also be having one or the other drawback, right? Now to just as to resolve out this drawback, we use the other algorithms which are your binary search also. So as of now, just see, linear search is used for short kind of the array which we are having. Now to resolve that, we'll be using binary search. Now binary search will also be having some or the other thing, then we'll be using some or the other. So it all goes like that only, okay? Okay. Yes, binary search works on sorted array. Right. Absolutely right. You will be having 0. Right. 0 will be the position of that array. 1 second. Now let me define first. Let me import the array. And let's say this. Hope you all remember, right, how we used to define array dot. I would just import array only. Let's say 1, 2. Right, let's say this is my array which just I have declared up over here. Right. Now, yes, you know, 1 will be having up the position as 0. Now, if I go back to my PPT over here, so see, we have to start from the leftmost element of the array. In one, I will compare x with each element of array. Now, see. Okay, where is my Google? I'm sorry. Just give me a minute. let's say my question is कि I have to find the element which is 4. I am going to find a position of the element which is 4. Right. Now see what I would do. I would start from my leftmost position. Leftmost position means from this particular place I will start. Okay, I will see that is 1. Now see what is written up over here. It's written you will be starting from the leftmost element of the array and one by one compare x with each element of array. So I will be comparing, let's say my x value is 4. Okay, I'll be comparing x as 4. I'll be comparing, is 1 equal to 4? No. Is 2 equal to 4? No. Is 3 equal to 4? No. Is 4 equal to 4? Yes. In that case, what will happen? It will go and will search for me that what's the position for 4. Right? What is the index? At what index this 4 is present? And will find it is present at an index of 3. And it will return me the position of that respective element. This is how a linear search works. Very simple. Just start from the leftmost element. One by one compare. If yes, then put the position for the node for that, and if no, then just remove from there. Then shift to the next, again next till the time you haven't gotten the value for your x. Okay, that is it. That is a very simple method. Again, if x matches with the element, it will return the index for that element. And if doesn't match with the element, it will return -1. So, when I would use my linear search algorithm to compare or maybe to find the index of the number which is 4, so it will one by one check in for me that at 0th index or at first index, second, at what index the value 4 is present. As soon as it finds, it will return me the value of that index. And again, if it doesn't find any value, what it will do, it will return me the value which is -1. It won't return me 0. If it doesn't find that number into my list, into my array, it will return me the number which is -1. Right? That is the thing. Okay, Shazi ma'am, is it compulsory 0 to be the lowest? Not able to see because of that. 1 second. 0 to be the lower bound. Yes, Shazi, that is important. See, if you are starting from leftmost position, so 0 will be the lower bound index only. It is compulsory and it is predefined. Okay, we don't define it. It is predefined. Index will be 0, position will be 1. Index will be the 0 and the position of that value will be the 1. This is how it goes completely. Okay. So yes, for this you will be using up the for loop, and with the help of that for loop you will very easily be able to complete and apply up this linear search algorithm. Right. So first tell me, am I completely clear to you how this algorithm works, or maybe how the pseudocode works for this linear search? Then we shall see the practical. Are we clear with the same, guys? Okay, perfect. Now we will be going ahead and checking out the practical for your linear search. Right. So again, what we'll do, we will just simply apply up the algorithm. Okay, we will just simply apply up this algorithm which we had in, and just following that step by step, you will just simply go ahead and apply the linear search algorithm onto your own only. Right. So I'll just do a text over here once. Oh, 1 second. What has happened to this? Okay, leave it like that only. Fine. Okay, so now what we'll be doing, we'll just very quickly try to go ahead and apply out the linear search element, linear search algorithm, right? Okay, what you could do, you can just very simply make up a function. Also, there are many methods which you can try on, right? You can even make up a function for the same. Okay, that's the very first method. Apart from that, you can just maybe use a simple method into which you simply declare up the elements, and from that elements only you can just go ahead and apply that particular value. Okay. First of all, I would let you know how we will be actually doing up this particular program, right? What's the method? How will you be applying up this whole program for the same? So for the first, what I would do, I would just make up a function. Let's say def. Okay, let's say def is my function that I would first of all make up. And linear underscore search. That is my name of the function. Okay. Into that, I'm going to pass 3 parameters. You can just use a list also for declaring up. Okay, first is my list. List is, let's say, my first variable. I'll take a value n and I will take a key. Right, these 3 things will be required for me to go ahead and apply my algorithm. What I would do, I would search into my list into a sequential manner. One by one, I would search in my list. For that, what I would do, I would just apply my for loop, right? So for I in range, okay, I just put my range from 0 to n. What is n? N will be the complete position where my list is actually present, right? My complete position, the length of my complete list will be belonging to the n. Fine. Okay, I would just put in my condition that if list 1, okay, if list 1, I am using my I loop for I, right? I am just using my for loop. What is I doing? I is iterating. What it will do? It will go to every position. I will help me to go to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this condition, it will help me to move further and just search for the element. And I would just see if this is equal to the key. Now, what to do in that particular case? I would simply return the value for my I, because I is what? It is my index, right? And if this is not the case, then come out of my for loop and just return me -1. That is my condition which we have to fulfill, right? Because that was only my condition. We were said if you find the element, return me the index of that element. Otherwise, just simply return me -1. Now, what I would do, I would declare all of my values. I would just write list 1. I would declare my list, let's say 9, 4, 1, 8, 3, 7. Okay. I would declare my key. It means key is what value what I want to search. Let's say I want to search for 8. Okay. N. What is n? As I told you, it will be the length of my complete list to go to every position. That is done. I would call my function. So before calling my function, I would make a variable, let's say r. Okay, and into that I would call my function, which is my linear underscore search. And I would just pass in all the parameters, list 1, comma n, and what we had? We are having key also over here, right? And next I would apply that if r is equal to -1, it means that if it has returned me -1 over here, I just want to give a print a statement that print element not found in the list, right? And if this is not the case, I would just have to print the position and my element, right? So I would just print it like that. I would just write element found at, let's say, index, okay, putting a comma over here, and I will just write over here r, right? That is the complete program which I just had to write up over here. Fine. Now everyone just now see how will this particular program work. Let me just first check in your charts for a while. Okay, let me just refresh it once. Okay, Demon, n is number of element in array. Yes, absolutely, n is the number of element onto the array. Where is, yeah, n is the total number of elements. As we used to find the length of the list, na? Yes, Aditya, it is there. Fine. So element not found an element. Okay, oh. Now let's do one thing. Let's try running out this program once. Okay, we didn't got any output. What's the reason? Is my function name same? Okay, my key which we wanted is 8. Let me run it once again over here. Okay. Nine, 4, 1, 8, 3, 7. Okay, now let's see where we had made a mistake for this particular complete question. Okay, we returned out the values. I returned out, okay, we just simply made a function list1 n and the key, I in range 0, n. I just searched for the key, then I returned the value, and here also -1. Then what we did, we defined out a list1, then the key, then n is equal to length of my list1, calling linear search list1 comma n comma key, press is equal to, okay, I just hope I wrote the complete program here correctly. Okay, let's see where we did made a mistake and why isn't this resulting in the output. 1 second. Okay, so everyone just check it once and let me know why is this. Okay, print. We'll go my printer statement. Let's run it once here. Okay, perfect. We just forgot to write a printer statement over here. Perfect. So see, now what is this? We found the result, which element found at index 3. So absolutely the key for my element was 8. Now here again 8 is at my third position. 0, 1, 2, 3. Right? That's the complete thing which we are getting. Okay. First of all, let me know everyone, are you clear till this page everyone? Are you clear? Then I'll just let you know our use case also. Tell me guys, are you clear with this whole linear search program? How does this works out actually? Okay, Om. Okay, fine guys. Okay, see, now what if I change this number to also 8? I wrote 2, 8, right? This 8 and this 8 also. And screen lag. Okay, just a minute. Okay, just allow me a minute. Let me put a new camera over here. Just a minute everyone, okay? Oh, okay, let me cancel this only. Yeah, I see that it is stuck home. Just a minute. Let me once deactivate it. Okay, what is this happening? Okay, why does the slide is not working completely? Okay, guys, let's manage for a few minutes without a camera. Okay, I would just make sure it's working in a few minutes, but let's not stop it up over here. Let's proceed and just try to manage without the camera for a few minutes. Okay, then we'll see what's the issue coming over here. I don't know, like, why is this background thing not coming clear or something. Okay, let's leave the camera for a while. Perfect. So let's proceed in over here, and yeah, we were talking about the list, right? So into the list, again, now what I was giving a condition. I was giving the condition key if this 8 is written 2 times. Right? If this 8 is written 2 times, then what will happen? Right? Then what it will do? It will give me the index of which value? Right? It will give me the index of which value? Let's see and let's run this out. Yes, right. Alex, the chroma effect is not working. I will just try to sort it afterwards, not right now. Okay? So yeah, we will see that the element found at index number 2. So what I am trying to get from this, I'm trying to get from this key, this 8th thing is not working completely. Right? This 8th thing is not working up over here. If it is at the first position or if it is at the second position, then in that respective case, it is just giving me this 8th value, not this 8th value, right? Now what is this? This we can say is actually, you can say something which is not to be actually done. This is one of the drawbacks. It should at least let me know that this particular a value which is 8, it is present at 2 index. It should actually let me know this particular thing, right? So there, and at that particular condition, this is the reason why it's not working up completely and perfectly at this particular place. And this is one of the drawbacks. Now to resolve these drawbacks, we have to go to some of the other algorithms and then work on those particular algorithms to further proceed in and apply up the respective conditions. So hopefully that is clear to you everyone about the linear search. Am I clear with this everyone? Let me know in the chat box. Just let me know. Just okay, Shazib, rest everyone. Just quickly confirm me. Am I clear till this particular place to all of you? Okay. Fine. I guess now the chroma is working. Great. So now if you are clear with this index element thing, this particular one, now see the one drawback which we already figured out over here, right? We have just seen one of the drawbacks which is over at this particular place. Now proceeding in further, I would let you know about the time complexity and the space complexity things which we are having up over here, right? So big O of n, that's the time complexity which you get up into your linear search. And if someone asks you what is the worst case is minus big O of n. In a short while, maybe not today, but in a few lectures, I will tell you how to calculate the time complexity of any algorithm, how to calculate what is the worst case for any algorithm, right? Because if you have gone through LeetCode or HackerRank, all of these particular platforms, so you might have seen that there at that particular place, you get the test cases to pass for any of the program. If you have passed out those test cases, well and good, and if you haven't passed out those test cases, in that particular thing, what it will do, it will reject up your answer. So here same goes here as well. You have the use cases to be passed out, you have the use cases to be used further. So in that respective case, if you talk about the time complexity, that is big O of n for your linear search. Again for the same thing, further also your time complexity depends, and it is different for the other case, and for every other algorithm it is different, right? But as of now, just understand this particular thing. The average case for this is big O of n, and the worst case is big O minus big O of n, right? That is the thing. Great. So this was about the complete linear search which we had in FIT today. Right? So we just learned about how this linear search works. Now you can just make it as long as you want. And now let's check in if we apply a condition if it is not present into our list. We got element not found in the list. So because 0 is one of the numbers which is not present into my list. So simply I just got it is not present in the list. It is not found in the into the particular list. Right? That is how the whole concept works out. That is the respective method about working of the complete concept. Right? That's the method. So it's very simple. I understand that you might have listened that algorithms in the DSA are very difficult or something like that, but no, it's not really difficult. It's quite very easy. Just follow the particular the particular method which I am telling you. Just follow this algorithm which I told you, and everything is very simpler in the linear search. Nothing different, or neither in any of the ones you will get anything different. Fine. Perfect. Okay, Shashwat, how much level of DSA is necessary for? See, Shashwat, your DSA is required. You must have good hands-on on calculating time complexities and learning time complexities for all the algorithms. You must have a good knowledge about the trees also, and you should be very good with these algorithms, because what in the sample paper has been shown till now, it's shown that you will be getting a lot of maybe not a lot of, but yeah, 2-3 questions that are belonging to your time complexity and your trees portion, where you are given a lot of pictures for the trees, and you just have to maybe calculate the time complexity, or you have to find a expression for those. These kind of questions are mostly asked out into your GATE 2024 DS and AI into this particular paper. Right. So see, it is very better for you if you understand these respective things, if you go with these particular methods. So it will make everything easier for you to apply into your complete paper also, and into your sample paper in the quizzes also. Right? So that's the thing. So let me know, are you all clear with the complete linear search which we had in for today? Most welcome, Sarshwat, most welcome. And simultaneously, if you all know that on Unacademy app, I am teaching you machine learning. Okay. So for that machine learning also, I am just trying to clear you all the concepts. We are trying to solve a MCQs question also onto their Unacademy app, where you can just come and join me for the sessions of machine learning. Today we'll be having at around 8 or 8:10. I'll be starting the session for today. Where you can just come and join in over there. We'll be learning a few more new things in the same, and further following up over the lot of questions, a lot of things, right? So hopefully that is pretty much clear to you all. Link for that special class you'll get in the chat box. Get in the description. You just go ahead and check that out. So hopefully you might have enjoyed the session. You might have got the concepts clear for today. And okay, most welcome. And thanks a lot, Demon. Okay, thank you so much, Om, for the same. Right, so hopefully the session might have been well. You might have understood about the linear search completely. Now I hope if anyone asks you to write a linear search algorithm in any of the use cases, hopefully you will be able to write that completely without making any problem or without making any errors or any mistakes. Right. So that is all from my end for today. See you at 8, just after 10-15 minutes, onto your Unacademy app, where we will be going ahead and applying up the machine learning. And for tomorrow, and from tomorrow for next 4, 5, 6, 7 days, you will be having your live sessions at 9 AM in the morning. I am again repeating, for your live sessions from tomorrow, okay, you will be having up your live sessions at 9 AM in the morning. So remember the time 9 a.m. Be present, and we will be further going up with the binary search tomorrow, right? So tomorrow, and from tomorrow onwards for next 1 week, you will be having the classes at 9 a.m. in the morning. Okay. Sashwat is turning search there. Sashwat, you don't have that exactly into your syllabus, but we'll see a little bit in that. Not very detailed, but a little bit. Aditya, days is not required for MLAI. No, days is not required for MLAI, Aditya. It's not required. Shazri ma'am, is learning JS in Python be a safe way for job opportunities, or would I go? No, see, Shazri, if you want to go in the field of data science, AI, ML, deep learning, Python is the absolutely perfect language, and is the only language with which you can go. If you want to go with be a Python developer, or if you just want to be a web developer, an app developer, there are few frameworks like Django, Flask, which are in Python only. So you can be the one with a Python programming language also. So I don't see CPP anywhere. My recommendation will be either go with Java, C, C++, or go with Python only. Python is the best language for which you are having. Shazia, for web development, you can go with Java, I guess. And if you just want to go with Python, in Python also you are having two frameworks, Django and Flask. So if you see about the Instagram web, if you just use Instagram onto your laptop, so that is completely built on the Django framework only, in Python programming language only. So absolutely, if you just want to go with Python in the web development, you sure you can go, not a worry. Absolutely you can go, okay? Yeah, Java is a good option also, Sashwat, but yeah, if anyone prefers with Python only, that is also the best option. You can surely go ahead with that. Right, I just even seen the number that live chat is increasing. Okay. Yeah, tomorrow morning classes will be at 9 a.m. Tomorrow, again I'm repeating, tomorrow morning classes will be at 9 a.m. I request everyone to join in for tomorrow at 9 a.m. for the binary search. Okay? What's happening? Okay. Yes, you have to wake up early. Instead, I am also waking up. So yeah, you should also wake up early in the morning and join here the live sessions. Okay? Okay guys, thank you everyone for joining. It was great and lovely having you all here. Okay? Wake up tomorrow little early. You can wake up at 8:45 also and just join at 9 tomorrow. Okay? So, fine everyone. Okay, just a minute. Let me answer one last question. Ma'am, I am confused to choose between Java and Kotlin. Okay, see, Shazib, I would recommend go with Java. If you just want to choose between Java and Kotlin, I would prefer go with Java. Java is the best language for your web development. You will surely go ahead with that. Don't go with Kotlin as of now, because I don't think so it's having that much of weightage even in the market. So go with Java for sure. Okay, bye everyone. Bye-bye now. Thank you everyone for joining in. See you at ML session next 15 minutes. Okay, do join at ML session also. Get the link in the description. See you all there. Thank you everyone. Bye-bye and take care guys. Have a great evening ahead of you and do enjoy the festival too. See you all in the morning at 9 a.m. tomorrow. Bye-bye guys and take care. Yeah, bye-bye. Bye-bye Shazi. Bye Aditya. Bye everyone. Bye.